Hi Moose, this is Mrs. Brandon and I wanted to take a moment to show you a quick and easy way to find great resources on any topic you're looking for. A lot of times I hear students say, I found my information on Google, and Google is a great search engine, but it is just that, a search engine. So let's find a new way to find great resources without having to sift through all the good and bad stuff. It's all going to be good stuff. You find these resources on our Montwood Middle webpage. So start at Montwood Middle, and you're just going to go down on the page to your quick links. In your quick links, you are going to click TexQuest Databases. You will be pushed into TexQuest. You might need a password. If you do, your teacher knows what that is. So you can see I've already logged in to TexQuest today, and I can see all of the amazing databases. Now each database has a different purpose. You can figure out the purpose right here as you read the summary of the database. You will need to find the database that best suits your research topic. For example, if you're looking up something about nutrition and exercise, you might want to go to health and wellness. But if you're looking for resources for your science project, science might be the way to go. If you're looking for information on recycling and repurposing, you might want to be in environmental studies. So these resources will have different things for you to access, different topics that they serve. You need to figure out which one is going to suit you best. We've talked about a few of them in class, so I'm just going to go into science. Within science, you're going to see that there are lots of different topics. I have to log in. So if you need this password, just ask your teacher what it is, and you will be able to get into TexQuest. I'm in now, so I'm in science. You can see it is science. If I know my topic, I'm just going to search it here at the top. But if I don't know my topic, I have a few options. I can browse topics. I can look at topics of interest. There are 3 right now. Or I can look into the categories and see where do I need to be. I know that I want to be in earth and environmental science, so I'm going to find a topic there. There are 135 subcategories within this topic. So I'm just going to click here and I'll be able to see the subcategories. Notice here I have a lot of different subcategories. I'm just going to click one that I find interesting. Let's take sustainability today. And now I can see an overview of sustainability. What does the topic mean? What are we referring to? But notice what I have here. I have 5 featured content articles, 30 reference sources, 73 news articles, 5 images, 164 academic journals, 1 video, 85 magazine articles, 9 audio clips, and I even have related topics, just in case I want to delve deeper or extend my topic to something else. I'm going to go ahead and just click on, I want to see featured content. Let's click on featured content. I'm already seeing something I'm interested in. I'm going to take a look at sustainable biosphere. Now students, when you are looking for resources, especially if your resources have anything to do with science or technology, you want to make sure your resources are less than 3 years old. This article was published June 13th, 2011. It is not meeting my 3-year mark, so I will not be using this article. I'm going to go back and find something that is a little more updated. Let's see. I'm going to just click on magazines and see what magazines have to offer me. Right away, I see an article that is published in 2019. So I'm just going to click on that one. Students, when you are looking for articles, please don't just click on the first one. Make sure it fits your subject. So here I am. I have my article. The date is good. It's from Tech and Learning, so I know I can trust this source. And there's a few things I can do here. I can translate the article. So maybe I read better in a different language. Maybe I need to share this with my with someone in my family who speaks or reads a different language better. So I can translate to fit my needs. I can change the font size and I can listen to the article. Listening to the article is great because sometimes words are a little hard to pronounce or they get a little confusing. And when we listen to the article, it can help us to clear up those confusing spots. There's a few other things you need to know. Over here, with the click of a button, I can push this article straight into my OneDrive. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I will need to log in one time. And once I log in that first time, it's just going to push that article straight into my OneDrive. Now you can see that article is in my OneDrive. I don't have to go searching for it again if I need to pull it back one more time. Gonna click OK. I can also email this article. Maybe my teacher wants me to share the article with her, or my parents want to see the article. I can email it. And I can download the article and save it to my H drive. I will want to make sure that if I do save it in my H drive, not in the shared drive. There are a few more things that you can do with these articles that are amazingly valuable. You will need to cite your source. Right here, guys, we have a citation tool where if we click, the citation is provided for us. Now, for an English class, you will need your citation in MLA format. But if you happen to need a different format, you can just click the drop-down menu. It will give you your options, and immediately the citation will change to the correct format. Guys, this is so important. We do not want any plagiarism. We do not want any copyright infringement. We want to make sure that we are citing our sources and giving credit to our creators. So you can copy and paste this into your presentation or your paper. You can download it and make sure that you are giving proper credit to creators. This is an awesome tool, and it will help you give that credit. You can also send the article again. So if you need to share, that article with anyone, you can send it. Again, you can download. You can print, but we should really be saving to our clouds or our H drives, not printing. You can get the link to the article, and when you get the link, you will be able to share that link with anyone or to just keep that link on file so that you can find your paper again later. And you can highlight and take notes. These are all great tools that will help you guys figure out how to complete research quickly and easily while also saving paper and being able to share with anyone you need to share with. One last thing I want to show you is right here. We have more like this. So if you need more information, if you need to branch out even further, you can visit more like this. You can visit related subjects so that you can find even more information quickly and easily. All of this is great to help you figure out how to complete your research without having to sift through a lot of good and bad articles that all show up when you are trying to do a search. Guys, these TexQuest databases are amazing. They are provided to you by our district and the state, and we would love to see you use them more for your research needs. If you have any questions or you need any more help, please let me know in the library. Come down and visit me and we'll have a little refresher. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.